Career gap is not the end. I have two, so I have overcome it by doing hard work. I came from a humble and hardworking family. My father works as a supervisor in Escorts Private Limited and also a property dealer, while my mother is a homemaker. I'm the eldest one in my siblings. I've completed my BTech in computer science in 2018. After that, I've started my career as a customer service executive at Policy Bazaar. However, due to some personal reason, I have a gap year of 3 to 4 years. During this period, I've decided to upskill myself. That's why I've joined OdinSchool boot camp, which became a turning point in my career. With their support, I've got an offer in Swiggy. So currently, I'm working as a senior catalog executive at Swiggy. For my parents, it's the moment of joy and pride that their daughter is working in a reputed organization like Swiggy. OdinSchool changed my life. It gave me technical skills, confidence and guidance to restart my career. In the OdinSchool bootcamp, I have learned various skills like SQL, Python, Power BI, machine learning, where I worked on various projects to help me build in my portfolio. It was a big challenge for me. I had self-doubts on myself, but I worked hard, upskilled with OdinSchool and stayed consistent. That's how I got 2 offers from the Swiggy, out of which I have selected in as a senior catalog executive at Swiggy. The key is to believe in yourself, work hard and trust the process. My experience at OdinSchool was good. All mentors helped me professionally to crack this job in placement drive, in mock interviews and in behavioral interviews. They taught me how to crack a job, and so that's why I recommend all the people, like anyone who wants to restart their career, they can join OdinSchool. I highly recommend it.